Today is another day, and I will bake a very simple cake without oven. How? Watch and learn here in How to Make. For children, you need the help of your parent or your elder brother and sister. It's easy. Just follow the steps. Firstly, add 1 cup of salt or sand in a cooker and place rock or any cup. Heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. Combine all the wet ingredients and mix in a large bowl and set aside. Now, in a sieve, combine all the dry ingredients and make sure you sieve it well. Combine the wet and dry ingredients and mix it well. Transfer the cake batter into the cake mold that you choose. Make sure to grease the mold with butter or oil to avoid sticking. Carefully place the cake tray into the cooker and leave gap around the edges. Let's take a quick look at how this cake is cooked in time lapse. I did mistake. Better to use a large cake mold. So that's it for now. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to hit the notification bell button. See you on my next video.